So guys, you want to check out TopGoal Airdrop here, guys. We have TopGoal NFT Airdrop. So currently I have on it on the watch list of 112 persons, 112,000 and 751 persons. So the market data for this NFT is not tracked, but then again, you can be able to check the price of this NFT on the official website where you can also sell it or do utilize it for whichever purpose you want to. First and foremost, you add it to your watch list. Make sure you are logged in. So once you've added it to your watch list, you can now check out the other criterias. As of recording, it's going to be ending 22 hours from recording, so it's going to try and put it out as soon as possible. The official website is here, so you can check it out for more information on these projects. So you say participating in Top Goal CMC second airdrop event, get up to 1 NFT. So it says December 15th to December 21. That's our the timeline. They're giving out 5,000 NFT to 5,000 winners. Participants are already 37,000. They are much, guys. The Top Goal will launch its game fee and DeFi in December 2021. Prepare a new airdrop campaign exclusively for CMC users. The winners will be selected by random. The rewards are 5,000 common level mystery boxes from TopGoal. So return of Legend S2 and S1, which will be distributed to the winners' TopGoal accounts. A part of participants will receive lottery codes that give them a chance to win TopGoal common mystery boxes. So add TopGoal to your watch list. That's the first step. Follow them on Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Medium, and more. So guys, this the basis of this airdrop, guys. Follow up these steps and you're good to go. So I hope you find these updates helpful. These are usually the basics to increase your chances of being selected. Though the selection is usually random, but we do also recommend that you can try and be very active on these platforms, social platforms. Try and be active, and hopefully you get picked or noticed. So that's how it works. One peace out, guys. Your bike keys. Stay safe.